Hello, my name is Regina, and I'm here with Benavest. We are excited to be hosting the biggest ACA agent event in history, the 2021 ACA Virtual Carrier Summit. I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick tour of the summit, as well as provide you with information on how to access everything and how to log on. So the event starts tomorrow, September 1st at 10 a.m. You want to make sure you're logging in at that time, and you could explore everything the summit has to offer. First, you're going to go to 2020 acacarriersummit.com/liveon/v1. Once you're here, you're going to log in with your email and your password. The password is going to be 2021 Summit, and that is all in capital, 2021 SUMMIT. Let me go ahead and log in and give you a tour. So now I click sign in and it's bringing me to the site. The event is 100% online. While the site is loading, I'm just going to pull up the Auditorium itinerary. So before the Auditorium presentations start, during the presentations, and after the presentations, you could walk around to the different carrier booths and you could chat with all the different carriers and Benavest representatives that are available. Okay, the site brought me back in. So I'm going to go ahead and click full screen. First, the navigation information is going to come up. To navigate, you're going to use these arrows on the bottom left corner, WASD, and you're also going to use these left and right arrows. This will rotate your avatar. Let's go ahead and click next. Then you're going to see what's available inside of the booth. Inside of the booth, you'll be able to chat with the different exhibitors, AKA carriers and Benavest representatives. You'll be able to email them. You'll be able to see their contact information with their business cards, and you'll be able to gather different product information. You'll be able to view their videos, download their PDFs, view their images, all of that within inside of each booth. Let's click next. On the left-hand panel, this will be up the full event. You'll be able to see the list of the exhibitors. You'll be able to quickly click on chat to connect with them. You'll be able to connect with the different agents as well that are at the event. Let's go ahead and click close. This is the outside of the event. What you're going to do is navigate with the arrow, the W1, to enter yourself into the event. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hold down on that W button. So now my avatar is walking into the 2021 ACA Virtual Summit. Perfect. Now you can see all of the booths laid out that you're able to visit. The main host booth is in the middle, and we have the carrier booth, and we also have the Benavest booth. So if anyone needs Spanish, Creole, if you're interested in life, learning about Medicare, we have booths available for you on the left side, representatives that you could directly chat with from our team. And on the right side, we have the different carriers available. The carrier reps work directly with the carriers, and many of those names you may have heard of. So we have Oscar, we have Madeline, Will, and their team. We have Armando from Ambetter. From Bright Health, we have Mike Berglund. From Anthem, we have Mark. From Molina, we have Tina Martinez. And from Cigna, we have Karina. So the carriers have exciting news for this upcoming 2021 enrollment season, including expansion information. So we have some new carriers coming to the South Florida area, some carriers expanding into new states, different markets. So be sure you're available and present at the full event. So let's keep walking through the event. Here's an example of one of the booths. Within the booth, you could view the different videos. You could chat with the person here at the booth. It says, hi, hello, how can I help you? So you'll click on there to chat. There's different documents within the booth. You'll be able to click on those and download them to your files. We have income charts available for you for the 2021 season. We have the CSR chart. We have all that information that you need. So you can do a full spin with these arrows here. And if you want to go to the carrier, you could just click the W forward button or move to the side. Over in the front corner, there is a help desk. So if you do need help navigating or anything, questions about the time, the auditorium itinerary, just go ahead and go to the help desk. If you do need any ACA contracting, we have questions. Your questions can be answered within the booth if you need transfers or anything like that. If you need Spanish, we have a Spanish booth as well. Let me go ahead and go into the auditorium for you. So I'm just clicking these arrows on the navigation pan. So I'm going to keep walking, and I'm going to turn. So the event is from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And like mentioned, you could go in the auditorium and view the live presentations from the different carriers. You could go around and walk through the full event. So now I'm going to walk inside of the auditorium. I'm sorry, I moved back. I walked into the wall. Okay, so now we walk inside of the auditorium and there's a live stream. So connect to the live stream. You're going to go ahead and click here to connect to the live stream. And it's going to open a new tab. This is already plugged in for you. You're going to just start the live broadcast. Currently, it's not available. But tomorrow on September 1st, it will be available. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. Going to exit the auditorium. And again, you could go to the different carrier, different booths, Benavest booths. A quicker way maybe is to go to the exhibitors. You could click it on the left side, and you could see the different exhibitors here, the different booths. So let's say I wanted to talk with Armando at Ambetter. I could click on Ambetter, and it will bring me directly to that booth. If I wanted to talk with Cigna about their expansion, I could go click on Cigna, and it will take me directly to their booth. If I was interested in contracting with Medicare or finding out about AEP dates, I could go to the Medicare booth. So you get the gist. If you have questions, again, you could go to the receptionist here at the help desk. If you wanted to chat with anyone, you could click on chat, and then you could find their name, and you could start chatting with them. Or you could go to the exhibitor list, click on the carrier, and click on how can I help you, and this will load the chat feature. All of your chats will be in one window for you, so it's very organized, and you could see the person who you are chatting with. So we are very looking forward to seeing you tomorrow, September 1st. Again, the event time is from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. If you would like to view this video again, we will have it up on our Summit page, as well as how to access the site on insureuniversity.com. Just click on Virtual Summit, and it will bring you there to the page. We'll have the site, website, the login information, which again is your username, which is your email account, your email address, and the password 2021 Summit, all in capital. And we will also have a link to this video if you need to reference it. We are looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow on September 1st for the biggest event in ACA history. Have a great day. Bye.